Are you looking for a great alternative to the Tesla standard Aero wheel covers? Well, stay tuned because in this video, that's exactly what we're talking about. This is my 2021 Tesla Model 3. When I purchased my Tesla, one of the first things I did was switch out the Aero wheels for the black center caps and nut covers because the rims that come underneath are actually really nice and stylish. I want to thank EVBase for sending me these to check out and share with you guys. These are the original Aero wheel covers that come standard on the 18-inch wheels, and these are the new EVBase Uberturbine wheels that I'll be installing. They come wrapped in these 4 individual boxes. Inside each, you'll have a rim, as well as these padded strips that you'll use to line the inner part of the cover so it doesn't rub directly against your actual rim. Each rim is wrapped in bubble wrap, a plastic bag, as well as another soft layer of padding. What I really like is the matte black finish on these rims. It's a really great color and matches the rest of the trim around the vehicle. I do wish they came standard with the Tesla logo in the middle, but I believe that EVBase sells additional decals that you can buy and install. So the first thing we're going to do is take a damp paper towel and just clean around the outer edge where the foam padding is going to go. The padding has an adhesive side which feels a lot like 3M tape. Next, we'll apply the foam padding around the outer edge like so until we get all the way around. Then just go over it to make sure it is secured to the actual cover. We'll repeat this for each rim. I'll go ahead and speed this up so you can see again how it's done. To install these, I need to remove the center caps and nut covers. The easiest way to do this is to take a small flathead screwdriver, wedge it in between the rim and the cap, and then pry the cap out. As you can see, this pops out really easily this way. Then I'll take the new cover, remove the foam on the back side, and when you go to install these, you have to make sure that the air valve is aligned with the cutout on the cover for the air valve. Then simply push the center into the rim. You'll need to then bang the sides of the rim cover so that the clips on the back snap around the rest of the rim to secure it in place. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I would just double check to make sure that it's all secure around the edges, give it a little push, maybe even a little pull just to make sure. I'll do this for the front tire and speed it up so you can see how it's done again. I think these rims add a great sporty look to the vehicle, similar to the performance model rims, and only take about 20 minutes to install from beginning to end. If you're looking for an alternative to the standard Aero covers, EVBase has these and many others for you to choose from. Click the link in the description of this video for all of their great products. If you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest and greatest on all things Tesla. Once again, my name is MikeAmiel, and I will see you in the next video.